No, this is not Taj Mahal behind me. It is Bibi Ka Maqbara at Aurangabad.
When we told our friends that we were going to Aurangabad to see the famous Ajanta and Ellora caves, they said, Taj Mahal zarur dekh ke aana. Wait, what? Taj Mahal in Aurangabad? We started our Aurangabad city trip with a heavy lunch at Bhoj Thali restaurant. After lunch, we took an auto for Bibi Ka Maqbara, which is the Aurangabad ka Taj Mahal that our friend had spoken about. As we were approaching the location, we saw a Taj Mahal like white marble structure from a distance. We just loved the Taj Mahal in Agra and were excited to see how similar or different is Bibi Ka Maqbara.
पहले पेट पूजा फिर काम दूजा. Now that we are full up to our throats with this heavy lunch that we had at Bhoj, we started by taking out our list of things to do in Aurangabad. Apart from Ajanta Ellora, which is the biggest thing to do if you are in Aurangabad, the topmost thing to do in Aurangabad is Bibi Ka Maqbara, and now we are going to buy tickets for that.
Bibi Ka Maqbara was designed and erected by Ataullah, an architect and son of Ustad Ahmad Lahori, the principal designer of the Agra Taj Mahal. He worked along with Hanspat Rai, who was an engineer.
No, this is not Taj Mahal behind me. It is Bibi Ka Maqbara at Aurangabad. So this resembles Taj Mahal, and so it is also called Taj of the Deccan or Dakhin Ka Taj. This was built in memory of Aurangzeb's wife Rabia Durrani, and supposedly by her son, and in line with Taj Mahal. It is not as gorgeous, of course, but somehow the structure is similar, and it is still very pristine and nice, and one of the must visits of Aurangabad.
As soon as we entered, we were like, oh yeah, it does look like Taj Mahal. Not just the building, in fact, the premises with fountains and trees are also just like Taj Mahal. Bibi Ka Maqbara lacks the finesse of Taj Mahal, so while the structure is similar, the ornamentation, definitely inspired by Taj Mahal, lacks details, lacks that level of skill, and definitely lacks the beautiful stone inlay work that we so marvel at the Taj Mahal. The mausoleum is laid out on a quadrilateral base, as per the concept of Charbagh, as in the four gardens mentioned in the Holy Quran. Bibi Ka Maqbara is the most iconic monument of Aurangabad and apparently a sought after option for school outings and picnics.
So Bibi Ka Maqbara tickets are 25 rupees for Indians and 300 rupees for foreigners. A pro tip though, there are three counters, one for foreigners, one for women, one for men, and there's only one person to cut the tickets. So it's better you scan the QR code, because just like in Qutub Minar, ASI has these boards, printed boards with QR code. So you can scan that code with any app, and then you can pay digitally. That would save you a lot of time.
The comparison to Taj Mahal has actually overshadowed its very own charm. Plus, it is much smaller than the Taj Mahal. Yet, it is a peaceful place, and the gardens surrounding this mausoleum are very well kept. On the whole, Bibi Ka Maqbara leaves an impression and is a must visit in Aurangabad. Located a few kilometers away from Bibi Ka Maqbara, on the campus of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, is Sunehri Mahal and Museum.
Sunehri Mahal is the last of Aurangzeb's structures in Aurangabad. The claim to fame to Sunehri Mahal is the golden paint that used to adorn the walls. Unfortunately, there's no more golden or sona paint inside Sunehri Museum, but then the structure is still very magnificent, and it has now been converted into a regional museum. It is not a very extensive museum, but the collection is rich and it's a simple fuss-free affair. And the other thing is that the museum closes at 5 dot, so one should better be early. It is absolutely worth a visit.
We are museum people and we like getting a slice of history wherever we go, and I think the best way to know the culture and history of a place is to visit the museum in that area. So we are at Sunehri Museum, quite a beautiful museum. We couldn't show you what is inside because photography is not allowed. Tickets are 10 rupees each, so almost free. And this was just 10 minutes auto ride from Bibi Ka Maqbara that we just saw. And museum is very small, so half an hour, 45 minutes are good enough time to actually see all the artifacts. And all the artifacts, statues and paintings, they are all quite well kept, but the lighting is very poor. They could have done better with the lighting. So some of the paintings were like in absolute dark, so we couldn't see much of that.
With this, we close the gate on part 2 of our Aurangabad travel vlog. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.